Yeah, that's asking a lot. Pay attention. Oh. Okay, get down. Okay, go again. Go again. Okay, go. Okay, climb up here. I'll help you with this part, okay? Climb up. Okay, come on. You gotta keep working on it. There's someone behind you. Emily, come on. I know. Come on, Emily, pay attention. Are you figuring it out? Okay, go again. All right, let's move this one out of the way because this one, no. I don't like this one. This one's... Got it? Okay, come on. Emily, that one doesn't work. Okay, do what you want.
This nice little obstacle course.
Yeah. Yeah, that's your classmate.
Oh, she went a little farther. That's good.
Uh-oh. Are you okay?